Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make barbecue chicken in slow cooker. For this amazing chicken you are going to need 1.5 pound of chicken breast, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper, 1 cup of tomato sauce, 1 medium onion, 3 cloves of garlic, garlic powder and smoked paprika. Let's start with the sauce. Cut onion on small pieces and smash garlic. Now we have our garlic and onion in a bowl, mixing in the rest of the ingredients except the chicken. Now place the chicken into the slow cooker, combine it with the sauce and set it for 5 or 6 hours on low heat. Now when the chicken is done, shred it and mix it all together so you combine all the ingredients and flavors. You can serve it in a bun or with potatoes or whenever you like. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and thank you guys for watching.